Good morning. My day is hectic from the early beginning, starting from getting stuck in traffic to the rush of leaving home early in the heart of darkness of dawn. Getting to my destination in Baghdad is the ultimate challenge. Driving through the main highway is high risk. There are many reckless and unlicensed drivers. There is neither legal speed limit nor police patrols that regulate speed quite often. The cherry on the cake is the road bumps scattered every 10 inches on the highway. The thing that keeps me sane is the amount of listening I do on my way to work. It keeps me busy and engaged with the speakers talking about various things I am interested to learn more about. The first station on my way is the gas station. I fill up the tank, firmly secure the gas tank cap, pay gas fee, and then hit the road running. Well, I almost always get up very early, at about 4:45. I get up early because I like to pray and check my work duties and write down my priorities to achieve in this day. Carpe diem is a Latin aphorism, usually translated to seize the day, taken from the Roman poet Horace. I truly believe in this quote and work according to it. When I arrive close to my work, I drop by a local cafeteria that opens all days. I enjoy my daily latte that the barista got used to fix for me just from looking at me entering his cafeteria. After breakfast, I read the recent articles on New York Times website, especially the ones relate to Iraq. Since I work as a freelancer, translator, and a private tutor, I need to keep myself on top of my major by constantly training myself, challenging myself, socializing, and learning new skills. Knowledge is extremely dynamic and needs to be reshaped, reinvigorated, and updated with new sources. Driving in the early morning is a bless. Few cars fill up the road, nor pedestrians cross randomly. I grab a bite for lunch and head to my next workstation. I usually have a meat hamburger for lunch.
Professor Walid would like to thank you for finishing this listening practice. Keep up the great work.